Welcome back to my channel Learn and Play with Shibasish. Please subscribe.